Go.
Like the Power Hour, TGH. Okay, let's count down the stocks. You had the whole week to watch and what's going on and to know who I am and what we do. What do we want to look at right now? I'm gonna make sure. Triple witch, watch the close. Okay, there's my universe. Stocks, let's get right down to it. Okay. Target. I'm not saying it's the best trade out there. Watch, it could be capitulating. There's the volume. Other stocks like this Dollar General, started to make this U-shaped turnaround. Believe it or not, there are sexier stocks out there, but I'm in Dollar Tree, yes. All of a sudden, I turned into an analyst going on price earnings ratio. But listen, they're better trades. You know what I mean? Target could very easily open down a risk to reward better trades. You know what I mean? Uh, pardon me. More charts. Okay. For those that want to play active stocks, LAZR acting well. Let's go long. LAZR. BG, what's the one? 1 second. Percent gainers. Where's this freaking thing? Go to Corvo anyway. Corvo. Stock has gone to 2 to 15. Another stock. Keep an eye on this one. This may be legit. I think this is the Trump, what's his name? Trump Jr. UMAC. This is for UMAC. This is for McD. Stock's acting okay still. Uber. Pure. Okay. Groupon. People using coupon. Listen, if they're using coupons in Groupon, they're freaking going to Dollar Tree. Believe me. Better trades. Stock taking calls. Sexy 2 again. May not be a barn burner over time. You know what? COMM. It's like the old days now. I'm typing so fast, the chart cake. Come on. Apologize. COMM. Could be something to sock away. Go to the weekly, do your own diligence. Stock that was active. I saw very rarely do I see a whole page of calls or puts. Turns out to be call or covered. AEO. Something's going on here with these. It's odd. Sweet Green acting well, starting to turn around a little bit as these restaurants look tastier. OUST, one of the stocks of the day, not in it. Wayfair bouncing with calls. Nike had the turnaround. Let's see, it's got the range. SPX wants 56.50. Qs is stuck at 480. Don't expect much. There is a triple witch. Micron, still pinned. I got it. I'm down like a 3/4 into something. Devon Energy. Tremendous thing. Notice I'm not like taking a like a Amazon position. Still having fun though. May work. Let's go to what's going on right here. Now, percent gainers right into the close with the big money. Laser brought it up. But you know what? There's even less than that. Let's go to apologize. It's drying here. Sweet Green brought it up. Percent losers on the day. Big page. Said that KC gave it all up yesterday. That was a negative candle on China. China followed through to the downside. I didn't have it. DE all of a sudden was acting like an animal. Decides to turn around as the market's going the other way. That's okay. Go ahead. Carnival had earnings today. They didn't know what to do. They did the opposite of Micron. They dumped it and then they ripped it. Disney, nothing. Dollar General. Listen, I'm sorry I'm not giving you Planeteer or AMD down here. ATD has nothing. It's starting around. It'll go up when no one has it. Fizzler taking calls at the bottom. Never made a new low. Bottoms take time, so do tops. PDD faked everybody out. Every single China stock yesterday. We discussed on Power Hour. How to get the Power Hour or YouTube icon. Every other stock closed near or on the low. China. This one reversed into earnings, finished on the high, gave it back. Now it's going to shake out all the long. Believe me, it's a mind game with this one. You know what? It hits my head. Zeros. Good for Rev. And you know what's another one in the fund? I'm giving this thing out. Gave it to my chiropractor today. Gave it to the Human Resource Department. BBIO. Matter of fact, I'm adding to it. In the Tradeview fund as we speak. Fact. Where is it? Amazon. Nothing. BBIO. You're right. Well, watch it go across. Watch my shares. BBIO. I'll buy another 2,000. Watch this right here. That's me. Boom. BBIO. Live action. Acting very well. Clean, as they say, clean trades. VIX still holding that 200 day. Sure, Dale has a lot to say about that. Many people do. There it is. You know what? This is compressed, especially into a quad witch. 4 trillion. 4.5 trillion is taking place in about 30 minutes. Ooh. If that breaks that 200 day, it's gonna fake some people out. Then the VIX is gonna be a little bit suppressed. People have to put money to work. Doesn't mean it's gonna, not over. But yet again, the longer, you know, it's clear. You don't have to be that seasoned of a chartist to feel there's something binary coming. How long can they hold that 200 day with other stock? It's it's difficult. It is. Just trying to provide some edge. That's all. Quad witching. Again, coach just texted my head. If you didn't make it by now, you're not probably going to make it within a half an hour of quad witching on Friday. And number two, you know, uh, get your prices. There will be some price movements, all right? Don't be the piker on July 4th that pays up for everything, like in the Hamptons. You're paying $90 for a lobster roll. Relax. You'll eat. Get your prices. Be a pro. Don't be a tourist. Sprung a leak at the end of the day. It always happens. All right. NEXT. Want to know another one of that calls? What's going on with this thing? Next decade. Sexy name. Not going to lie. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to tell you, it's been taking calls for a while now. Top 10. There it is. Next decade. It's up to you. I haven't. Like I said in TGH, it may be time to look over why some macro situations, what's going on. Nike, what happened there? I know what happened actually. Lennar, another one with the three wides down. Micron, why did it turn around? FedEx, what's up? What a turnaround there. Short covering? Where's the baby out with the bathwater? Is it turnaround time? I'm not going to get it reading over the newspapers over the weekend. I highly doubt you are. And please feel free to share. But price action is going to tell us going forward. All right. Cool. Just like this. I'm highly not going to give you a major 30, 20% winner over the weekend. If I didn't do it by now, And it is what it is. See, it's a life. If nobody's really around, I get it. Enjoy your day. I'll try to do better on Monday. Thanks to the team behind us, and especially Tradeview Markets for sponsoring. Cheers, Mike V. Anybody watching the video over the weekend or a little bit late, expect our game plan and what to watch for Sunday evening Eastern time going into Monday.